Guys, it's Makaya. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're not, thank you so much for joining me again today. So as you guys can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be my beauty favorites, and that is from y'all a bunch of different types of products. It's not just makeup, it's not just skincare, it's all of the things that help me with my beauty content. Okay, so if you guys are curious to find out what I use and what I like, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so it's been a little while, but I think I want to start with the things that have to do with maybe makeup first. Should we start with makeup first? I think so. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get the makeup stuff out of the way. That way we can get to the rest of this stuff, okay? Because I want to put y'all on to the other stuff that I use. So the first product that I want to talk about is this. So if you guys have not seen this before, this is the e.l.f. It's called the Power Grip Primer, but it's definitely comparable to the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. You guys know I used to use that all the time, but this is definitely a really good dupe for that product. If I'm not mistaken, the Milk Hydro Grip Primer is around $30 something. This is 10. Okay, so if you're a beginner in makeup and you don't want to spend a lot of money on different like high-end products, you definitely should try this because, honey, it works just the same. Okay, you do get what you pay for when it comes to the Milk Hydro Grip, but it pretty much does the same thing. So this right here, she's my girl right now. She's my girl. And before I get too deep into the video, all of the products that I am going to be talking about will more than likely be listed down below in the description box with links and everything. I do also have an Amazon storefront, so if you guys want to shop on there, you can. A lot of these products are already linked on there, but yes. Okay, so let's get back to it. So this next product caught me off guard. I purchased this maybe a year and a half ago, and I just started using it recently. What happened was I ran out of my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I went in my drawers and I came across this, you guys. This is the Cover FX. Can y'all see that? There we go. This is the Cover FX matte setting powder, and mine is in the shade medium. Yes, in the shade medium. As you guys can see, it has a yellow tint to it. And so this is a really good powder for my girls who have the melanin in them. Okay, because sometimes, regardless if we want to accept it or not, translucent powder does have that tint of like ashiness to it. And so if you don't know how to apply it the correct way, you can have flashback, you can look a little powdery, a little casket ready. Okay, and so with this, because it has that yellow tint to it, it's perfect for the girls who are my complexion, maybe a little bit lighter than me, but definitely the girls who are more brown, because it does have that tint of yellow, and it does make your under eyes look very flawless, very seamless. Yellow tint for the girls with the melanin, absolutely. Okay, absolutely. This is, I'm not gonna say it's too dark for me because it's not, but I do like for my concealer to stay true to color, but this does make it a little bit more dimmer because it does have that pigment in it. So if you are somebody who likes to have that super bright under eye, you don't want that color to change or be dimmed, then I would mix a little bit of this with a translucent powder, just a little bit, because this does have a little bit of pigment in it. When I say I literally just got this product not too long ago, like this product is still fresh in my rotation, but already it is a favorite because I've been in search for a true pink blush. Okay, you guys see that I always use the Kat Von D blush in Bonnie and Clyde, but that one has more of like a purple tint to it. It's not a true like pink, hot pink blush, but I came across this one. Oh, y'all see that? It's like it looks neon pink. It's not that bad though in person, but this is by the Sephora collection, and this one is in the shade, it's in the shade Date Night. So pretty. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the inside, just so y'all can kind of see the true color. As y'all can see, it's like a true Barbie pink. It's just the right amount of pink for me though. It's not too hot pink and it's not too ashy looking. So this right here is my go-to, my favorite. These next two products have been heavy in the looks that I've been creating. You guys know I love a good nude lip. That is my favorite, different shades of nude. I love it. Y'all know I used to be into like colors. I used to do hot pink, and if you go all the way down to when I first started posting on YouTube, I used to wear blue lipstick, okay? But now that I'm a little bit older, a little bit more mature, I definitely love a good nude lip. Okay, this is my signature though. So this is the Morphe lipstick, and this one is in the shade For Evs. I love their packaging. It's so black and sleek, but this is what it looks like. It's like a nice nude with a hint of pink in it, so it's not too brown and it's not too pink. And then to top that, I like to use the Morphe lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Chill. Okay, this is like that really nice nude. Can y'all see that? Yeah, I like that. That's really cute. Now this next product I've definitely been using a lot lately, because I don't know about y'all, but when I do my makeup, sometimes I feel like it be a little too heavy. Like I be trying to do an everyday makeup look and it still be coming out a full face. Okay, and so lately I have been doing like not filling in my brows and just wearing my natural brows. And I'll just put this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit on my brows. It's like a clear gel, and this holds so good. It doesn't make your eyebrows feel crunchy or anything, but they definitely feel like they're not gonna move, you know. And so this, even with like actual my brows being filled in, I still use it, but I definitely use it when I'm just wearing my brows concealed with no like fill in, you know what I mean? Really good. So if you're out looking for a really good brow setter, this one is really good. I've tried a few different ones, but so far this has been my favorite one. All this talking. Is my glass cute? I just got them. Okay, so my next few products are definitely game changers. Okay, so I know you guys know all about the powder puff, or like, what is this called? Like the little triangle. I think it's so cute, and it's really good for when you want to get in those inner corners. Okay. It gets right up under there too. We love to see it. Because I don't know if y'all know, but I used to use, well, I'm sure y'all know, I definitely used to set my under eyes with my beauty blender, but now I use this, okay? And it doesn't make, you don't mix the wetness of the beauty blender with the powder, and sometimes it can make your under eyes look cakey, or it can make your under eyes crease more. But this, because you're only using the powder on this, it just gets the job done, okay? And then the next thing are these premium oil blotting papers. Okay, these will be linked on my Amazon storefront. So with the little triangle. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all what it does. So this is what they look like. And y'all see that shininess right here? Let me show y'all. Y'all see the difference? Because I do. I see the difference. I always get oily right here, right around this area of my face. And so I always put a few of these in my bag, my purse or something. That way. Because I'm not somebody who likes to keep adding powder to my face. I don't like to look cakey. I just rather remove the oil. So as y'all can see, y'all see that? That's oil. But yes, fire, okay? And it comes with 100 sheets, very inexpensive. So I'll definitely leave these in my description box so y'all can see them. Have I been looking at myself this whole time and not y'all? Oh gosh. Okay, the next product is this Benefit Professional Setting Spray. Y'all, I used to use the Urban Decay all-nighter. That was cute, okay? But every now and then I would spray her and she would leave like spray marks on my face. This right here, this is a mist. Can y'all see that? this is a mist. Okay, it doesn't leave any spray marks, and it is really good. I love the way it dries down. And so this is my favorite setting spray right now. So good. And then when I say I've never been able to purchase one foundation and it be my correct shade, I've always been a girl that had to mix my colors or mix my foundations to get my true color, and it still wouldn't be right. But this right here, he got it. So this is the Makeup by Mario foundation, and mine is in the shade 19C. Y'all, this is the Surreal Skin foundation. But you guys, ever since I got this, I haven't stopped using it. And I have Bobbi Brown foundations, I have Estee Lauder Double Wear, I have a bunch of different types of foundations. But y'all, this one and the finish of this, it gives very much skin, not cakey at all. You don't need a lot. Very buildable if you do want to build. But if you are a girl who has oily skin, like super oily skin, you're probably not gonna like this, because this is more of a skin finish. It's not matte at all. And so but if you're a dry skin girl, you will love this. You will love this. And the last product that I want to mention is the bio oil. Y'all know I live by this. Y'all know, if you've been following me for a while, you know I live by bio oil. Look how much I have left. Girl, I'm holding on by a thread. But bio oil for your face, for your skin, to clear up any discoloration. For years, y'all, I used to like try to like lighten my discoloration, especially like around my neck. But then I was like, actually, I found out that it was a birthmark that I ended up getting a little bit later on in life. But I used to always think it was like discoloration or something. I used to use different products, but this definitely has evened out my skin tone. It's really good if you have acne, stretch marks, anything like that. It's really good for that. But y'all, this right here, get you some. It's really really good. Read up on it. I guarantee y'all will love it. It's a little on the expensive side for oil, but it works really good, so it's worth it. I just feel like every girl needs a handheld fan, regardless of what you do for a living, because I feel like we all get hot, okay? And so this is probably one of the best investments, like one of the best purchases I've ever purchased for myself. A handheld fan. You spray that setting spray, dry it down real quick, or if you go to a concert, or if you're outside, 3 settings. It's just necessary. I really don't feel like I have to, you know, say too much about it. You can charge it right here on the side, or use batteries, whichever one you want to do, because I feel like you probably get more hours out of it when you use a battery versus charging it. But you don't have to buy batteries. You can just continue to charge it every day. So really good investment for anything you need. The girls who get hot, the girls who wear makeup, love it. Game changer. Okay, this right here just makes me feel like I have my life together a little bit more, especially when I'm getting ready, because I used to wear a bonnet. When I was doing my makeup. But you know what? I said I need something else. I need something to put on my hair when I'm trying to do my makeup, or you know what I'm saying, whatever, skincare that's not a bonnet, to keep my hair out of my face. I would use a hair clip sometimes, but that doesn't get the front pieces back, you know what I mean? And so when I came across these, I've seen these before, of course, but I never thought of purchasing one. And so I finally pulled the plug and got me one, and y'all, life changing. I walk around the house and it's all the time now. It's Velcro. You can wash it, throw it in the washer, and be done. Oh, we love it. We love it. And of course I had to get mine in gray, because y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of color. Okay, I'm more of a neutral girl. And so, but they do have a bunch of different colors. If you like pink, they have blue. They have an array of colors, but I'll do my best to try to find this exact one, because this one is like texture. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like the little waffle kind of print. But yeah, it's so fluffy, it's so soft, and it definitely holds my hair back out of my face when I'm getting ready, washing my face, doing my makeup, skincare, all that. So we love this. And then last but not least are these two items that are very necessary for the content girlies, or even just the girls who want to take pictures like for Instagram. Is that still content, girl? Just because you take pictures? I don't know. I feel like it's for the girls who do content and for the people who just want to be able to take their own pictures and not ask people for help. And so this right here is a tripod. It has the little remote to it, and you literally just push the bottom, it opens, and you can extend it super high, like as high as you need it to go or as low as you need to go. So a lot of times when I film like my TikTok get ready with me's, I'll leave it on this height, just so that when I sit it on my table, it literally lines up with my face like that. So this right here, game changer when you want to take your own pictures and you don't want to have to wait for somebody. And also, if you're like me, sometimes flash, like camera flash, can make your pictures look really like funny looking, like really weird. And so this right here, this little light that you can just clip on your phone like this, and you can clip it on your phone and take your pictures. Y'all, look how bright that is. Yeah, really bright. It has different settings. See, that's more of like a yellow tone. This one's more like a neutral, and then this one is more of like that cool tone. So, oh, and you can also make it bright, or you can dim the lighting if you don't want it to be that bright. Y'all, game changer. So for any of the girls who shoot content or like to take pictures, very helpful, both of those. This is not a part of my beauty favorites, but these cups are also on Amazon. I'll link them for you. But yeah, you guys, that's all for my beauty favorites slash Amazon finds. Yeah, I hope you guys love this video. I hope it was very informative. Is that the right word? Y'all, I be saying stuff and it don't even be right. I was right, informative. But yeah, I hope you guys got some good info out of this, came across some products that you guys want to try and might eventually love and become your favorites. Like I said, every product that I talked about in this, I'll do my best to find a link for it, or it'll be listed on my Amazon storefront, so you guys can check that out. That link is always in my description box. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.